What's up, guys? Today we're tackling a question that's on the minds of many college students and prospective students. Is majoring in finance a good choice? This decision is pivotal and can profoundly affect your future career trajectory and earning potential. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of finance majors, exploring the pros and cons, job prospects, and other key factors to help you make an informed decision. What is a finance major? Let's start by defining what a finance major entails. A finance degree program equips students with the knowledge and skills necessary to navigate the world of financial markets, investments, banking, and corporate finance. You'll study financial accounting, corporate finance, investments, financial modeling, and economics. Within the finance major, there are often various concentrations or specializations to choose from. For instance, you might focus on investment banking, financial planning, corporate finance, or real estate finance. These concentrations allow you to tailor your studies to align with your specific career interests. One of the most valuable aspects of a finance major is the development of strong quantitative and analytical skills. You will gain skills in analyzing financial data, interpreting market trends, and making informed decisions based on intricate information. These skills are highly transferable and sought after in numerous industries beyond just finance. Career prospects and earning potential. Now let's talk about the exciting career opportunities that await finance majors. With this degree, you'll be well positioned for roles in various sectors, including 1. Investment banking. Investment bankers play a pivotal role in handling mergers and acquisitions, as well as initial public offerings, IPOs on Wall Street, and various corporate finance transactions. This career path is known for its high earning potential, but also demands long hours and a highly competitive environment. 2. Financial planning and wealth management. As a financial planner or wealth manager, you'll help individuals and families manage their investments, plan for retirement, and achieve their financial goals. This field requires strong interpersonal skills and a deep understanding of investment strategies and tax laws. 3. Corporate finance. Companies of all sizes require finance professionals to manage their financial operations, including budgeting, forecasting, and capital allocation. Corporate finance roles range from entry-level financial analysts to senior-level positions like Chief Financial Officer, CFO. 4. Risk management and compliance. With financial regulations becoming increasingly complex, there is a growing demand for risk management and compliance professionals who can ensure that organizations adhere to legal and ethical standards. The job outlook and earning potential for finance majors are generally favorable. In finance-related occupations, it is anticipated that employment will increase steadily over the upcoming decade. While salaries can vary depending on the specific role and industry, finance majors often enjoy above-average earning potential, especially in fields like investment banking and corporate finance. Pros of majoring in finance. Advantages of pursuing a finance degree. 1. Quantitative and analytical skills. As mentioned earlier, finance majors develop strong quantitative and analytical skills, highly valued in various industries. These skills include financial modeling, data analysis, and problem-solving abilities, which can open doors to a wide range of career opportunities. 2. Diverse career opportunities. With a finance degree, you'll have the flexibility to explore various career paths within the financial sector and related fields like accounting, real estate, and consulting. This can confer a significant advantage in today's constantly evolving job market. 3. Potential for high earnings. While not guaranteed, many finance-related careers offer the potential for high earnings, particularly in fields like investment banking, hedge funds, and private equity. However, these lucrative roles often come with long hours and high-stress environments. 4. Transferable skills. The skills acquired through a finance major, such as critical thinking, data analysis, and communication, are highly transferable and valuable across various industries. This versatility can give you more career flexibility and adaptability in the long run. Cons of majoring in finance. While a finance major offers numerous advantages, it's essential to know the challenges as well. 1. Competitive job market. The finance industry is highly competitive, particularly in investment banking and hedge funds. Landing one of these coveted positions can be challenging, often requiring excellent academic credentials, internship experience, and a strong professional network. 2. Long hours and high-stress environments. Certain finance careers, such as investment banking and trading, are notorious for demanding work schedules and high-stress environments. Be prepared for long hours, tight deadlines, and intense pressure, especially in the early stages of your career. 3. Constant need to stay up to date. The finance industry is constantly evolving, with new regulations, trends, and technologies emerging regularly. Finance professionals must continuously adapt and stay abreast of these changes to remain competitive and effective in their roles. 4. Potential for ethical dilemmas. The finance industry has faced its fair share of ethical scandals and controversies. As a finance professional, you may encounter situations where you'll need to navigate complex ethical dilemmas and maintain a strong moral compass. Other considerations: internships and real-world experience. Regardless of your specific career aspirations within finance, internships and real-world experience are invaluable. Many finance employers heavily prioritize candidates with relevant internship experience, as it demonstrates practical skills and a deeper understanding of the industry. Professional certifications. Depending on your chosen career path, acquiring professional certifications can significantly bolster your credibility and career opportunities. For instance, the Chartered Financial Analyst (CFA) designation is widely esteemed in the investment management sector, whereas the Certified Financial Planner (CFP) certification is indispensable for financial planners. Quantitative and analytical skills. While a finance major will certainly equip you with strong quantitative and analytical skills, you must continuously hone and develop these abilities. Many finance roles require proficiency in specialized software, financial modeling, and data analysis techniques. Further education. For those aspiring to senior-level positions or specialized roles within finance, pursuing further education, such as a Master's in Business Administration, MBA, or a graduate degree in finance, can be advantageous. These advanced degrees can deepen your knowledge and provide additional credibility in the job market. Thus, whether majoring in finance is a wise decision hinges on your specific goals, interests, and readiness to tackle the obstacles and demands of the finance field. If you're drawn to the world of financial markets, investments, and corporate finance and possess strong quantitative and analytical skills, a finance major could be an excellent fit. The potential for diverse career opportunities, high earning potential, and the development of transferable skills make it an attractive option. Nonetheless, it's essential to meticulously weigh the possible downsides, including the competitive job market, extended working hours, and the perpetual necessity to remain abreast of industry developments. Additionally, be prepared to navigate ethical dilemmas and maintain a strong moral compass throughout your career. Ultimately, the decision to major in finance should be based on a realistic assessment of your strengths, interests, and career aspirations. Don't hesitate to seek professional advice, attend career fairs, and explore internship opportunities to understand the finance industry better. Remember, your college major is just the beginning of your professional journey. With dedication, hard work, and a willingness to continuously learn and adapt, a finance degree can open doors to a rewarding and financially rewarding career. So what do you think? Are you leaning towards majoring in finance or considering other options? Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Also, remember to like and subscribe to stay updated on more informative videos about navigating the realm of college majors and careers.